Friends, hello everyone is the second part of the masterclass for sewing a corset with straps. I wish you pleasant viewing and easy sewing. Four straps from the main fabric. I cut 4 strips 75 centimeters wide. I also cut a strip of 75 centimeters glue the fabric from the oak. Strap fold in half in the face inward. We celebrate the corner height about 2 centimeters. Then we make a mark at a distance of 7 to 8 centimeters. The second mark is also about 7 centimeters at a distance. We do not sew this site on a typewriter. Sew a strap with an allowance of 5 millimeters. We cut off the excess and first turn the corner through the non-sophisticated area. And the long part of the strap using a pin. Steplet stroke straightening the edges. The open area is sewn with secret stitches manually. And then wean the straps. On that part of the strap that is mating with the cup, we cut the corner slightly. We focus on the cut of widespread from this pattern. This is how the strap with a cup should mate. Fold the face to the face, equalize the sections and fix it with needles. Also, to the back we remember that here the allowance is 1 centimeter, so we fix the strap. Sew the straps with a line with an allowance of 7 millimeters. Now we put the site between the straps face to face. We fix it with needles. Combine all the seams. We sew with a 1 centimeter allowance. So that the cut does not stretch, we strengthen it with an organza ribbon. We sew on the previous line. Cut the organza left 2 to 3 millimeters from the line. Make the notes on the allowance. And rebuild the allowance towards the inside. We fade the upper cut of the corset. In the cakes of the corset, put plastic seeds. I have bones these in a coil 6 millimeters wide. I cut off the desired length. The length of the bone does not reach the top line and the bottom line of 1 centimeter. We melt the ends of the bones with fire, so that they do not have sharp corners. We insert the prepared bones into the cakes. I got it to put all the bones. And now we connect the face with the wrong side by the lower slices. In order to sew a skirt to the corset later, this side is about 5 centimeters. We do not sew up. I lay a line on a width of 5 millimeters. I finish the line not reaching the center of the back by 5 centimeters. Contact the cakes. This is what our corset looks like. The length of the straps is adjusted on the client or on the mannequin. We grab the ribbons of the straps in the area of the shoulder seam. Combine the edges, fix and lay in this place a machine line. Now fold the tape to the desired distance and fix it. We also lay the machine line. This is how our strap looks like now, and we need a jumper. To make an imitation of the node, from the remains of the cut of the corset, we cut out the squares of 9 by 9 centimeters. Sew with an allowance of 7 millimeters. We are upsetting the allowances. We turn it on the front side. And again weaned. Sew the edges of the jumper manually from the inside. Ready. Friends, if you want to learn to sew exactly the same magnificent skirt as in this dress, I have created for you a step-by-step masterclass with detailed skirt lessons and patterns. Follow the link that I will leave under this video. Everyone was a light cut and sewing with you, Julia Chimakova.